Hey everybody, coming at you. Today we're going to be working on lesson 7.6 in the Go Math series. Okay, I would like for you to get out your lesson 7.6 and turn to page 497. If you don't have it with you, pause this video and go get it. Okay, so you have page 497 in front of you, and the directions are Dominic has 1/4, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 1 penny in his coin bank. How much money is in his bank? You are to draw out the coins and then label the coins and help you solve the problem. So I'll tell you what it is again. We need 1/4, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 1 penny. Draw the coins, add it up, and tell me how much does Dominic have in his bank. Pause the video and finish your work, and then unpause it and we'll work, and then you'll see the correct answer. Okay, it says that Dominic has 1/4, so I'm going to make this my quarter. I'm going to try to make it as close to size as possible. Okay, and then it says he had 2 dimes. Start here. 1 dime, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, one, two, I think I could fit another one here. 1, 2, 3, and then a penny. Okay, now I need to go and draw what each one is worth. So let me see. This is worth 25 cents. This is worth 10. This one is worth 10. This one is worth, okay, so there was 2 dimes, and then we have 3 nickels, so this is worth 5. This is worth 5. And this is worth 5. And then down here is worth a penny. All right, so now below it, I'm going to, add up my money. So here is 25 cents. I don't think I have enough. I don't have a cent sign on my keyboard, but 25 plus 10 cents gives me 35 cents, plus another 10 cents is 45 cents. Now I'm going to skip count by my fives. 45 plus 5 gives me 45, 50. Skip counting again. I get 50. Oops. Let me see. Sorry. Technical issues. Got 55. Continuing to skip count. 60. Now we're going to count by ones. So this makes 61. So our total value down here is 61. And then you're going to write the cent sign, which is the C with the line going down, but I'm going to write out the word cents. Is that what you got? If it's not, pause this video and fix it. Let's go ahead on to the next page. Maybe. Oh, they want me to clear this first. So let me clear. Real drawings, okay. Back to mouse. All right, so now we're on page 498. What we're going to do today is we're going to be adding money amounts above that $1. So in our pink box, it says, when you write amounts that are greater or bigger than $1, use a $ and a decimal point. And we've already been doing that when it comes to our numbers of the day. So that shouldn't be new to you. But what is new to you, notice they circled coins that equal $1 first. They did that because it's easier to see something as $1 instead of going 25 cents plus 25 cents plus, you know. So we look at these 4 quarters as $1. But as you can see, we have additional money here. So it's not just $1 and stop. We have $1, and now let's count up the rest of the cents. So here we have another quarter, and our quarter is worth 25 cents, right? Come on. 25 cents. So $1 plus 25 cents gives me $1.25. Don't make fun of the way I'm writing. All right, then we're gonna add 2 pennies. So $1.25 plus 1 penny gives me $1.26 and $1.27. Okay, so then we end up with our total amount. Let's look down here. Here they went ahead and circled our dollar bill because that is equal to $1. Okay, now we have some additional coins. I love how they put it in highest to smallest coin amounts. So here, $1 plus 25 cents gives me $1.25. Hold on one second. It gives me $1.25. And then we have another 10 cents. So that gives us $1.35. Another 10 cents gives us $1.45. And then add this nickel is worth 5 cents. So $1.45 plus 5 cents gives us $1.50. I love how they have the $ here and the decimal point. All right, what I want you to do next is to pause this video and work on numbers 1 and 2, and then unpause it and come back when you're finished so you can check to see if you got it right. Okay, so now you're going to be checking your work here. The first thing I'm going to do is read the directions. The direction says to circle the money that makes $1. So I'm going to do that first. Here we have $1, easy peasy. I'm going to go ahead and go down to number 2, circle all the money that makes $1. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters makes $1. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll circle that. Now the direction says, then write the total value of the money shown. All right, so this gives me here $1, and the next one is a quarter. So $1 plus 25 cents is going to give me $1.25. I have a second quarter, so $1.25 plus 25 cents is going to give me $1.50. Okay, so notice these two coins are different. Look at the size. This because this is not a quarter, it is a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. So $1.50 plus 5 cents gives me $1.55. All right, so that means I just need to add my penny to get my answer. So $1.55 plus a penny is going to give me, I'm going to put my dollar sign, $1.56. Is that what you got for number 1? Excellent. If you didn't get that, go ahead and pause it and fix it. And now let's go on to number 2. Okay, number 2, we already circled our dollar bill. So let me go ahead and I'm going to include that in here. Come on, text. Okay, so here we already have $1. Oops, decimal point. Okay, and ooh, I have how many dimes here? 3 dimes. So I could go the long way, or I can think, dimes, I can skip count by 10 to find out how many. So let's skip count by 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30. So what is $1 plus 30 cents? $1 plus 30 cents gives me $1.30. Not too bad. How did you do? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clear this off. Let's take a peek at the next page. Okay, for 3, 4, and 5, you're going to do the same exact thing that we did on numbers 1 and 2. For number 6, you're going to watch the video Math on the Spot, and you're going to help Martin figure out how much money he used to pay for his kite. Okay, number 7 says, Pam has fewer than 9 coins. Ooh, this is going to be a tricky one. The coins have a total value of $1.15. What coin should she have? Okay, so there's probably going to be a couple different answers for this, but if my answer has 9 coins, is that going to be the answer? No, it has to be fewer. If it has 10 coins, is that going to be correct? Mm-mm. If it has 5 coins, will that be correct? Yes. Now, it doesn't say anything about dollar bills, so I'm thinking that Pam did not have a dollar bill. So you're going to have to think of what else equals a dollar that you don't have to use a lot of coins for. So obviously you can't use 10 dimes to equal a dollar because that's way over already, and you still have 15 cents to go. All right, let's look at number 8. It says Jason puts his money in his bank. Circle the amount of money he puts in his bank. Oh, that's an easy peasy question. So boys and girls, go ahead and work on the rest of this. I do have an online lesson posted for you to work on also. If you're struggling with money, when we have our one-to-one lesson this week, please bring that up and we'll work on that together. Until tomorrow, this has been our math lesson. Have a great evening. And I say have a great evening, but as I'm struggling trying to find the stop record button. Here it is. Goodbye, everyone.